I first joined Freefoam back in 2008 as Technical Operations Manager. I first got into the building products sector because I always wanted to be an engineer, and back in the day plastics was the new boy on the block. Some of the most exciting and challenging moments I've experienced at Freefoam was the growth, site developments and investment into new machinery. Back when I started, the mixing plant was based in Stockport, and now it's in Northampton. It's given us control, made it extremely efficient and made production vertically integrated. Freefoam were running 4 extrusion lines and now we have 15. The change has been exceptional. What I like most about working at Freefoam is the people. At all levels, people have been encouraged to interact and work together. Seeing individuals develop and grow within the business is very rewarding. I think Freefoam has been a success because they've always had the finger on the pulse. It's an extremely proactive business with an abundance of people all trying to do their best. It's great. I'm immensely proud to be part of a business that's achieved 30 years. It's not easy as an independent company, but we've continued to improve and prosper year on year. There's no doubt in my mind that we will keep doing what we've always done and keep helping customers to grow.